Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube contents. I'm Sangwoo Kim. Today I would like to show you how to get predicted values for Cox PH model in Excel and R. There's one reference site I've used to explain predicted values. So in our program, actually, it provides 5 different predicted values from this function, right? So it's based on sorted data by FU time, then you can get these predicted values. As you can see, when you specify type as LP, then it means linear predictor, and if type as risk, then it means exponential or beta. And also, it provides explanation about how to read predicted value related to risk. So again, a risk score above 1 is higher risk than the average of in the population, and below 1 is a lower risk than the average in the population. If you specify type as expected, the expected number of events for an individual over the time interval that they were observed to be at risk. And if you specify type as terms, it means the individual components of the linear predictor eta is returned. And unfortunately, this website doesn't provide survival probability. So there's one on other sites, Stack Exchange, and it provides the explanation about linear predictor, risk quantity, and expected quantity. And as you can see, this expected quantity does require an estimate of a baseline hazard. I will show you in the previous video. Actually, I showed you how to calculate baseline hazard, but in this video, I will show you again. And lastly, it also explains that the survival probability can be expressed as exponential of negative expected quantity, right? So this is our output for first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 records. This one, and it provides LP, risk, expected survivor, and RX and age. So let me show you how to get these predicted values in Excel. So LP is, as you can see, this formula, but actually in our program, actually X transpose X must be centered. So let's get RX minus average of Rx variable times Rx beta, beta hat plus age minus average of age variable times age coefficient, right? Control C, Control V. So it's same as our output, as you can see. And risk can be calculated by exponential of linear predictor. So exp of J2, right? So this same as our output again, right? The next one is actually expected value. So in order to get expected value, we need to understand and calculate cumulative baseline hazard with centered true option. So firstly, let's get baseline hazard. So if FU stat equals 1, then 1 over sum of exponential beta x beta and fixed last cell. And if FU stat is not equal to 1, then let's give a value as 0. 0. Then cumulative baseline hazard. The first one should be the same as this one, and the next one is previous baseline hazard plus current baseline hazard. Okay, and cumulative baseline hazard. Sorry, this one should be hazard. Hazard with center option as true, then cumulative baseline hazard times exponential of average of Rx, a variable, times coefficient plus average of age variable, fix them all, and times age coefficient okay, so it should be same as, let me see, should be this one. So anything wrong? This one, we want to calculate expected value from cumulative baseline hazard. So expected value can be calculated by cumulative baseline hazard times risk. Okay, so again, expected quantity can be calculated by baseline hazard times risk quantity. Okay. Same as our output? I think so. And one thing you need to be careful in terms of expected value, it can be over the value 1, right? So again, the expected value can be higher than value 1, right? And survival probability, this one, exponential of negative expected value. Okay. Same as our output. Yes, I think so. And the last one, Rx value minus average of Rx variable and times coefficient and Tom's value for age variable, age minus average of age variable times and coefficients. Right? Same as our output. So in summary, in this video I wanted to share how to calculate a linear predictor, risk and expected, survivor and terms. So actually these are from predict function in our program, as you can see, this one. And also I hope you understand how to use type different type in terms of predicted values, right? Again, so one thing you need to be careful about expected value is that actually this value can be more than value 1, right? This is a survival probability, right? Right, that's it for today. I hope it was useful for you to understand how to predict, how to get predicted values for Cox PH model in Excel and R. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.